to morning routine. This morning, Hannah wants to do morning activities with her child, Lily. Wow, what a beautiful dream! Lily, come on, wake up! Every time she wakes up, Hannah usually brushes her teeth so that they are clean.
Oh no!
Lily, are you okay? La 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 la! I have to clean my teeth every day. Now I will rinse my mouth. Good. Wow, my mouth is now very fresh. Oh no, Mom, I'm scared of water. It's okay, Lily. You have to shower. If you don't shower, you will smell. Okay, fine, Mom. I'll take a shower. Good girl. Should I take a shower first, Mom? Yes, you should, Lily. Okay, you finished showering, Lily. Okay, Mom. Come on, put on your clothes, Lily, or you'll catch a cold. Yes, okay, I'm using it now.
Yay!
Wow, that's a cute outfit, Lily. Thank you, Mom. Let's take a bath. I think I want to go to the toilet. My stomach hurts. Ugh, why is my body so small? Come on. Now, Hannah has enjoyed the warm water. Hannah will clean her hair so that her hair stays healthy and nice. Now, it's time to towel off. Hey Lily, are you done?
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, where are you, Lily? Why have you disappeared? Hey Lily, you just make me shocked. And now Hannah wants to look for clothes to wear. I think I will wear this shirt because I like the color yellow. Now that Lily has chosen her clothes, I wonder what to do next. I wear shoes too because it's cute.
Yay!
Wow, it turns out that Lily is cooking food for her and Lily. It looks really delicious, doesn't it? Yum 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 yum. So yummy. more. Okay, see you later, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Bye, everyone.